Hi everyone, this is 8482 Media, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a contact form to your WordPress site using the plugin called WP Forms. So first, let us install that plugin. Go to Plugins, and then add New. So that's Contact Form by WP Forms. Install that plugin, and then click Activate. Once that is successfully installed, we are now ready to create our first form. So we have here a quick option to create a first form, and then we have another option on the left side by going to WP Forms and then add new. So let's click on that. So we may select a template here from the free templates given by WP Forms. And we also have an option for us to create a blank form. So let's try using a template. So let's select simple contact form. We use that template. And then there you go. We are provided with standard fields such as name, email, comment, or message. So if we want to edit the field, just click on it and we may change the label. And then we may want to change this field to required or not. So if that is good to you, let's go to settings and then notifications. Okay, so it says here, these are the email that is sent when a form is submitted. So let's try to fill out and edit the different fields here, starting off with send to email address. So this is the email address to receive form entry notifications. By default, the admin email that you have registered when you created this website is the admin email. Or you may want to insert here another email. Email subject line, say, let's put here contact us. And then from name. Now just a tip, for this form to be legit and not go directly to the spam box of the receiver, you would want to put here an email that has the domain of your website. So for example, our domain is 8482media.com. Then the email that you will insert here should be something like contact@8482media.com. So for this example, let's use that. So contact@8482media.com. And then reply to. This is again an email address. Let's just copy this one. Then let's put it here. And then email message, just leave it as it is. And then click save. Okay. Now let's put this form in our WordPress website. So close this one. Go to pages. Let's add new. And name it as contact. And then let's edit with Elementor. We want 2 columns. And then under the widgets, let's select WP Forms. Then drag it here. And then select the name of the form. So the name of the form a while ago is simple contact form. And there you go. So update and preview changes. So that's it. That's how you create a simple contact form in your WordPress website using WP Forms. Thank you very much for watching.